Hi guys, this is Ashlesha, and today we are going to know about a new course that Zen has launched, which is called as the Certification into Finance and Accounts. Now, if you go through the name, the course suggests that this is a certification that is a number one Zen curated certification in the field of accounting as well as finance. So, what are you going to study in this? So, like every accounting and finance course that we have at Zell, of course, here the concepts are going to be more from the basic into the field of accounting as well as finance. This will cover everything in the field of F&A, which is say your accounting 101, your Excel, your finance concepts, your income tax, GST, anything and everything for you to be an accounting associate or maybe a financial analyst if you are prepping up for something like that, then no doubt this is the course that you should be going on for. Now, when I say this is a Zell curated course, there are a lot of people, especially in India. So, there are thousands of people in India who are now gearing up for this certification because at Zell, anyone who does this course is also eligible of getting a guaranteed interviews format from us. Isn't that exciting? So yes, this is a very short-term professional qualification in the field of finance and accounts that Zell has launched, which not only helps you gain your expertise in the field of accounting and finance, but also makes you more of a certified person when it comes to your interviews as well in the field of finance and accounts. So this was an introduction regarding to what is the certification of finance and accounts that we have launched. If you all have any doubts, hit the number above and get your doubts solved. Thank you.